Welcome to Part 2, Teaching Machines. In this section, we'll explore how we train AI systems to learn and make decisions, diving into the concepts of machine learning, neural networks, and other key methodologies that enable machines to perform intelligent tasks. In this slide, we're going to explore the motivation behind teaching machines and the primary methods we use to accomplish this. Just as we educate humans to perform tasks and make decisions, we need to teach machines to become intelligent. This allows us to create AI systems that can assist or even surpass human capabilities in specific areas. We'll look at three key approaches to teaching machines: learning by example, learning by rules, and learning by understanding principles. Each of these methods contributes to how we develop AI that can recognize patterns, make decisions, and adapt to new situations. In this slide, we delve into the essence of machine learning, which is the primary method we use to teach machines to become intelligent. Just like teaching humans, the process involves learning from experience and improving over time. We start by defining machine learning as the process of teaching machines to learn and improve without being explicitly programmed for every task. A key concept here is pattern recognition. Machines, like humans, learn by identifying patterns in data. These patterns are then abstracted into mathematical formulas, allowing the machine to make predictions or decisions based on new, unseen data. This similarity between how humans and machines learn highlights the incredible potential of AI, as well as the importance of teaching machines effectively. I want you to think about that concept where machines understand patterns, convert that into a math formula, and make prediction or decisions based on new and unseen data is the crux of machines learning, or ML. Please reflect on this.